So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CryptoFied Trader. So today's video is regarding to the meme coin, and this is based on the demand which we are getting on the daily live stream. As you guys can see, we do the live stream on the daily basis and we do some trades, etc. So today this is a different video, a separate video for people who were asking for the top meme coins of my choice. Okay, what are the top picks of meme coins which I am looking for the bull run, so that you guys can join me as well. So which are those coins? I'll be telling you step by step which are those coins. And remember, meme coins are so in nature that they are volatile and the risk is highly involved. You know, a lot of meme coins like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, we have Pepe, we have Floki Inu, etc, etc. All those coins have a different nature. Some meme coins go from zero to hero. You can be also going from hero to zero as well. Okay, just remember, comparing to the altcoins and Bitcoin or Ethereum, meme coins have the highest risk. If you invest $100, there are high chances that you can be going to zero within just few hours. Okay, so consider this thing, and remember that I'm not a financial advisor, so these are my pick, so that's why I'm making the video. And remember, regarding to the meme coin, you can see in the internet, in Twitter or anywhere, you will be able to find every single meme coin launching in the market every hour. Okay, for every 5 minutes there will be a meme coin, but you don't know which to pick. Okay, there are some things which you need to consider. In today's video, I'm going to pick those meme coins which are defined by some of the mainstream projects, like we have Avalanche, we have Solana, which such projects, if they are supporting them and if they have a blockchain based on that, we will be picking those kind of meme coins. All right, so before starting the video, if you are new into my channel, just tap on that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that we can get, you can get all the series of these airdrop in a daily basis or in a weekly basis. All right, so this is a part one, so I'm just starting this new series. I don't know how you guys going to react to this. So first of all, we will understand which meme coin is my first choice. Okay, so the first choice which I have in my list is known as COQ, COQ. So why am I choosing this? Because this is based on Avalanche chain. Okay, Avalanche mainstream project has given a hint that COQ could be their project, and if you see over here, the current price is 0.5 zeros, okay, 5 zeros and 4425. I'm expecting it can kill at least of 1 0 by the bull run. I'm not keeping any high expectation. And you can see over here, if you talk about exchange listing, they are listed in multiple exchanges. We have KuCoin, we have Bybit, we have Gate.io. So they are listed in really good exchanges as well, so which means that anyone can buy it. Remember, don't get confused between investing in meme coin at the early stage. This is not an early stage, this is already listed meme coin which I have in my mind for the bull run. All right, so this is the number one coin which I am having right now. So number two coin I'll be talking about in today's video is known as Miro, or you can call it as Miro. Why am I choosing Miro? Because Miro is also based on Solana blockchain. Solana blockchain is performing really great. We have Dog, we've had Bonk, we had many other coins which have been surging like crazy. Their current price is 0.2379 Miro, and you can see their lowest point was somewhere around, I think it was around 0.001995, which was just 4 months back. So currently it's how much, around of 11,000% above, which means it's 47% below the all-time high. So there is a good chances that it could reach $1. It could reach $1 before the bull run or during the bull run. So Miro is second in my list, and you can also know about their project as well. There is there is supported wallets, there is the official website link, etc. Okay, it's not, I'm not showing the meme coins which do not have any basics or the projects behind it. They have their official website, you can look into that, you can go and check into that. Now we have third coin which is of my pick, is a Pepe coin. So Pepe coin has made a lot of people rich, and let me just tell you, I had bought a Pepe coin when it was in 2 zeros earlier. Okay, now you can see instead of 82 it was 0.005. All right, I've already made a good money out of it, but it is still not late. I'll be telling you why Pepe is in my list. Okay, what is the reason? Because some people might think Pepe is gone. I mean, there is no future for Pepe in terms of financial return, and also obviously Pepe does not have any use case. Remember one simple thing: any meme coin which we take, which we buy, they do not have any, what do you say, basic use case or utility which would help the blockchain, which would help the cryptocurrency. It's like an open bull, which wherever it wants to go, it's gonna go. So current price is 0.5082. Okay, I'm expecting Pepe could at least kill 2 zeros in the bull run. Okay, it is not this year. I'm expecting on 2025 at the time of June. So roughly we have one more year for that. So why am I thinking of that? What is the logic behind that? I have a reason for that. So if you go into the top market capitalization, okay, so this is a meme tokens by market capitalization. That means total market cap. In this list, if you can see, Dogecoin is ranking at the number 1. Obviously, the Dogecoin is the king of all the meme coins, and it has market cap of almost around $21 billion, which is, for me, in my eyes, it's a very low. But still, comparing all the meme coins such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, we can see Pepe is having market cap of just 3.4 billion. If you calculate in a mathematic way, okay, in bull run, I'm expecting Pepe to at least come to $15 billion. So $15 billion is of market cap. So $15 billion is somewhere almost about 5x away. So current Pepe price is around 5082. If you just make it as 5x, that means at least of 0.40 and 4 we can expect. So this is my expectation. This is my, what do you say, study about the Pepe. You can understand and you can do study from your end. And as well as I mentioned earlier, that meme coins just get created every hour, every minute in the market, and you can see there are so many meme coins. People are tweeting about, people are telling they got 1,000 year or billionaire or millionaire about that. So just ignore all that thing. It's just like a gambling. But the things which I told over here, it's based on, the first one is based on the Avalanche blockchain. Okay, the second one, Miro, is based on the Solana blockchain, and third one, Pepe, is based on the market capitalization. All right, so I think these are the list which I had to share with you. So this is the part 1. So soon, within 2 days or 3 days, I'll be bringing part 2 of this video. If you want part 2, just comment down part 2 in the comment section. I'll be bringing the part 2 of this particular series. All right, so I think that's it for today's video. We will be meeting you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.